HUBO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Fubotv stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. And just looking at Fubo, it's just beneath the $4, right? A crazy gap up, which is sick. I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so I'm going to use something that's worked for me, right? And specifically with FUBO, I already talked about this, but unless the price now shows me the second break confirmation, then I'm just not taking things up. And it's absolutely beautiful, right? Because I saw the first break and it's right here. I see the second break, and which is going to be if it starts breaking above 427. Yeah, other than that, everything else is noise, really. So that's ultimately how Fubo looks like for me. It depends whether we break the highs or the lows first. If we break the highs, that's a buy stop thing. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.